total number of factors of 1500. So total number of factors for 1500 is very easy. You can find it in a jiffy, but you just need to do prime factorization. So after prime factorization of 1500, you will get 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3. So for total number of factors, we have a formula, that is 2 power 1 into 1 power 1 into 3 power 1. So we have to take the exponents over here, which are 2, 1 and 3, and we have to apply the formula for total number of factors, and that will be very easy. 3 into 2 into 4, 24. Isn't it easy? So let's take another example. Total number of factors for 2624. Now this is also easy like the old one. Prime factorization for 2624. Prime factorization for 2624 is 2 power 6 into 41 power 1. So that will be equal to, let's use the formula for total number of factors, that is 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So here we have 6 and 1, right? So 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 7 into 2. Clear? That will be equal to 7 into 2, that's 14. Okay? Now we will go to sum of factors. Sum of factors for 1500. So this is also nothing. We have to just know the formula for sum of factors. So as we know, factorization of 1500 will give us 2 power 2 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 3. Okay, now formula for sum of factors is 2 power 2 plus 1 minus 1 into 3 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 5 power 3 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, now by 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into 5 minus 1. Now this is easy. We have to just solve it. Now 2 power 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 power 3, means 8. 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7 into 3 power 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3 power 2. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 5 power 3 plus 1. 5 power 3 is 3 plus 1, 5 power 4, and then we will get 625. So 625 minus 1 is equal to 624. 625 minus 1, 624. Now 2 minus 1, 1 into 2 into 4. Now this is it. Now we can solve it easily. 7 into 8 into 624. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8, right? So this and this will be cancelled. So 1 is not counted. 1 into 2 is equal to 2 only. So 1 is not counted. So now 8 is cancelled. We have only left 7 and 624. So 624 into 7. So after we do 624 into 7, we get 4368. 4368. Note it down. So answer will be 4368. Okay? Clear for you? note it down. Now we'll go to our next problem. So product of factors for 12. So for product of factors for 12, we need the formula for product of factors. Formula for product of factors is 12 to the power, total number of factors of 12 are 6, right? 12 has 6 factors. So 12 power 6 by 2 is the formula for product of factors. Okay, clear? So 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So 12 to the power 3. Product of factors is equal to 12 to the power 3. Simple, right? Now 12 to the power 3 is equal to 1728. So 12 power 3 is equal to 1728. Product of factors for 12 is equal to 1728. Okay, whatever number he asks you, you have to just half the total number of factors for the number and you will get it. Okay, simple. Now for product of factors for 12, let's take another small example. So now let's take 10. Let's find the product of factors for 10. So total number of factors for 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. So you don't need to just multiply 2 into 5 and into 10. Just we have 4 factors, 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Okay, now 10 power 2, 100. So product of factors of 10 is equal to 100. That's simple. Okay, we have 4 factors. Half of 4 is 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, see here, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Then 10 power 2 will be is equal to 100. So that's the answer. Okay, so simply the formula for product of factors. Okay, remember a power n by 2, where a will be equal to the number which he asked you, the product of factors, and n will be equal to total number of factors. Okay, n will be equal to the number he asked you for the product of factors and n will be equal to total number of factors. Okay, now that's clear. Subscribe for my hard work and don't forget to like this video. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.